Hey, what?
Are you my Uber?
Yeah, I am.
Awesome, I'm gonna get in the car, okay?
What?
I'm gonna get in the car.
Okay. No, what do you, wait. No, you can't get in through this. There's a door, you can get in through the back.
Oh, the doors.
Or you want to get in through there?
I'm gonna just get in through the door back here.
Okay.
Can you open it?
It's open. It's already open.
Oh, I can't get it.
You push the button. Push the button. Are you okay?
Yeah. Sorry.
What's going on? Okay, you need to shut the door first of all.
Oh, okay.
And what's your name?
I'm Kaylin.
Kaylin? I'm looking for Cleo.
Yeah, it's me.
Well, is it Kaylin or Cleo?
It's whatever you want it.
Is your boyfriend order the ride for you or something?
Is it, my boyfriend.
What's going on?
No, my boyfriend didn't order me a ride. Oh,
Okay,
goodness. This is such a nice purse holder. I'm
A
gonna
purse
sit
holder? That's
right
not a
here.
purse holder. That's my chair.
My
What are you
foot's
doing?
Itch. Will you take off my shoe for me? My foot is itchy. Just pull really hard.
Oh, shoot.
Will you itch my foot?
I'm not gonna itch your foot. That's gross.
Please. It hurts. I just been dancing all day.
Okay,
Just-
that's... Ew, they smell. Ew. What the heck? Okay, this is... Honestly, this is the funnest ride I've ever had in my life. You're so fun.
I can't.
Just... Can you put your seatbelt on, though?
You know.
Okay, your foot is on my... Can you get that off? Okay, be gentle, gentle.
Do it.
This is a nice car, okay? I just got a Prius. I saved up all my Uber cash for a new Prius, so... Can you respect
You
the
put on
Prius?
some jams?
I can't, no.
You're funny.
How am I funny?
You're so funny. You just put on Britney Spears Toxic.
I might,
Push,
sorry.
push, play.
My radio doesn't work.
Will you push play for Britney Spears Toxic?
It doesn't...
At the taste of your lips,
Can you not? Ow.
You're toxic.
Okay, actually, low-key, I do have really sensitive ears, so can you not... I don't have my earplugs with me. Can you just... Shh? You're up here? Let's bring it down here. Okay?
That's your toxic.
Toxic, what?
Where did my shoe go?
I don't know.
I don't have
It's
my
up here.
shoe.
It's up here.
Oh.
Here.
Oh.
Can you not take anything else off, please?
Hi, Mom.
You're not... That's not a phone.
Shoe phone.
That's not a shoe phone.
Hello. How you doing?
Go, lady. Thank you.
How you doing, sir? You doing pretty good? You up in the club?
Okay, how many
In the
drinks have you
club,
had tonight?
getting tipsy.
How many drinks have you had tonight?
My goodness.
Hey, can you not... Do you even have your seatbelt on? What are you doing back there?
I don't feel good.
Can you sit up, please?
I don't feel good.
Okay, well, are you gonna throw up? Do I need to pull over? Do I need to pull over? No, please do not throw up in here. Do not, I need to... No. What are you doing? Oh! Lady! Are you serious? You can't even stick your head out the window at least?
What?
Oh my god! That's not funny.
Just keep driving.
Oh my god, I
I
need to roll down a
so
freaking
much
window.
better now.
Oh my god, you're gonna make me throw up.
My soul's cleansed.
Yeah, I can tell. You threw up a whole...
that feels so
What did you eat last night? Oh. Hey! Lady! Oh, okay, I need to go. You need to go to the hospital? You just threw up a whole cat back there. There's a hairball. What the heck? That's disgusting. Is that a fish head? What did you go to catch last night and eat a whole anchovy or something?
So funny.
Ew.
Oh my god, you're like a comedian.
Okay, this is not funny anymore. Okay, at first it was funny. Okay, I need to take you to your destination ASAP. Hold on. We're gonna go quickly, okay? You know you're getting a cleaning fee for this. It's Hey, you know it's $200, right? Oh my God, it's not even on your account either. He's probably gonna detest it.
Where did my phone go?
I don't know, but call your boyfriend and tell him he's gonna get charged $200.
Why?
Cleo?
Why would I get charged $200?
You threw up in here.
No, I didn't.
This is a luxury car, okay?
I didn't.
This is a 2019 Prius.
I didn't throw up here.
Oh my God, that smells like anchovies now.
So silly.
It literally smells like
You're
anchovies, so.
so
Oh, that's freaking nasty, bruh.
Will you help me put on my shoe?
No.
Please. Will you just help me?
What do you want
Will
me
you
to
just
do?
put it back on my foot? I just can't.
I have to drive, okay? These cars are freaking going
do it.
nuts out here, bro.
I can't do it. Will
I'm
you
driving. I'm driving.
put my shoe on my
No.
foot?
No.
Please.
No.
Am I supposed to get out and walk?
I don't know, but you need to clean my car
can't
too.
get out and walk now. It's my shoes on.
I don't know, but it's freaking disgusting.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, sorry, I made a wrong turn. I didn't turn
Oh my
around.
goodness, I left my card at the club.
You left your car at the club?
My card.
What, do we have to go back now?
Yep, turn around.
Hold
I
on.
have to have my credit card. Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is the
This
worst
ride's probably
ride.
gonna decline. I even have a card.
What? How many drinks did you have
I
tonight?
like
2 drinks?
20.
20 drinks?
I can tell you.
Oh my
I don't
gosh.
drink alcohol.
Yeah, I can tell.
I got it.
Why are you
Oh
by
my
yourself? Where are all your
goodness.
friends?
I got it. They didn't want me in the club no more. They said
Did you get kicked out? You literally probably got kicked out of the club, huh?
I definitely did not.
That's disgusting.
I was just too good to be
Big
there.
yikes, okay? Big
I was
yikes.
too good to be in there, so they said, you leave.
Yeah.
And I said, what? It's because I'm too good. And they said, and they made me leave.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. It's freaking nasty, bruh. Are you sleep? You cannot sleep in here. This is not an Uber nap. You need to wake up. Lady. Wake up, lady. Lady. Cleo. Or, what's your real name? Kaylin? Wake up, Cleo. Oh my gosh. This is, ugh, my car, ugh. It smells so bad. Ugh, ugh.
You need to clean this car.
You need to clean it. You're cleaning this.
Why does your car smell so bad?
You threw up. Look at the floor.
No, I didn't.
That's freaking nasty, bruh.
Threw up?
Yeah, you did.
No.
Oh my god, I'm gonna
No, I
puke.
didn't.
Oh my gosh. Jeez. Can you wake up, please, lady? Old lady, wake up. Old lady. Oh, you throwing up again? You're literally... Okay, you're unconscious. I'm taking you to the hospital right now.
Don't take me to the hospital.
Why? Do you have insurance?
I'm not drunk.
Okay, I need to freaking turn around because I don't even think this is a through street.
Alright, where's my destination, sir?
What?
Mister? Where's my destination?
Yeah, I don't know, lady. I'm taking you to the hospital. Can you not? Lady, okay, this is not how Uber works. I don't get paid enough for this. Hey, what are you doing? Don't touch me. Hey, get off me. Can you... Ow! I'm not your ex-boyfriend, okay? I didn't do anything wrong to you.
I did not feel too hot.
I'm sorry, lady, but I'm gonna drop you off of the side of the road if you keep acting like
I
this.
don't feel too hot. Oh, this is my house.
This is your house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you come help me get out of my car?
I can't help you. There's not even a sidewalk here. How do you live over here? How do you even, where do you get out?
This still look good.
Okay, you're gonna have to walk a little bit because there's no sidewalk here at all. Okay, is it fine if I drop you off here?
You drop me off, sir. Wherever you feel like dropping me off.
Okay. Can you get in inside okay?
Nice strength with your service.
Oh my god. Oh. That smells... Can you clean it, please? I forgot. Can you clean this?
Thanks, Charlie.
Can you clean that?
Bye, Charlie.
Clean that.